Have you ever wondered why some cars look small, compact, yet very popular in Japan, and why they're increasingly on our roads? This one. Okay, the smallest car used to be the Paso. It used to be very, very small, very tiny, very compact. But these are increasingly coming on Ugandan roads. Now, let's talk about the K cars. The K cars, memuri akayongeza mukajukira. The K cars are cars that are designed in Japan that are supposed to be 600 cc and below. Babukola specifically to be driven in cities where there are tiny roads, congested cities where you can maneuver, tight parking spaces. Why? Babukola very fuel efficient. Buyamjukira abajapani batono bampi tondaba nti ndi muwanvu bali bampi kati omuloko obwo babukola nga bwakuyambako bantu to run errands, to take kids to school, and voila, this is the Daihatsu move.
We talk the truth, not just a brand for car lovers across the land.
My car journey did not start with a love of speed or shine. It started with frustration. I watched local brokers manipulate buyers. I saw mechanics cut corners. People paying too much for too little.
Why you know want to see?
Paso, Vitiz, Sienta, Spacio.
And I could not stand by while our car happiness was stolen from us. That's what lit the fire in me. I wanted to change the narrative, one ride at a time, to make sure everyone could get a decent car at a fair price, to do the inspections others skip, to share real, honest reviews, to give people the knowledge they need to make better choices. Because for me, it's not about the horsepower. It's not about the shine. It's simply for the love of cars. This show is not just about cars. It is about our cars. It is about our journeys. It's about our love of the ride. Welcome to For the Love of Cars.
If you're feeling good, puka, 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 puka. Lovers across the land.
So guys, this is the cheapest one. Remember when the Paso was the cheapest car? Well, the cheap Paso is not available now. The Paso you will get is more expensive than this car. Now, this is a K truck, K car. You remember obuyongeza katika na akamoro kakali ku category emu ne akayongeza. Bobo ina milioni abiri mwemu abiri kana akamoro ko kagula. The only downside is that it has 600 and I think 680 cc. Kayingi ni katono, ka piston is satu, but it has power. Tunao. Woo! Now, do you know what gives it power? The one thing that gives it power is that it is turbocharged. Emoroka ya turbo. Do you know what that implies? It implies that you need to be taking care of this car, service it on time, change the air cleaners on time, give it good oil, and all. Now, yeah, it's one of the easiest cars to maintain. It has very small tires. Ate, whatever moroke, people is in eco mode. Nekana kamoroka kaina eco mode. Now, I want us to just explore. It has plenty of space. It's one of the cars that has plenty of space. It comes with a CVT gearbox, eco. Girabi, katawantu saving amafuta. This car should ideally be able to give you about 18 kilometers per liter. But with Ugandan roads, the potholes, the hills, you'll be getting 16 kilometers per liter. It comes with airbag. Well, it has no curtain airbags, but it's literally, but inside, it's bigger than a Paso. The only place where the Paso beats this car is the boot. Now, yeah, it's surprisingly comfortable. Surprisingly very comfortable. It has storage space here. It has storage space here. And it also has storage space in the doors. And it's a normal car. Now, I want us to stop somewhere and just look at it and explore what makes it special. Look there. I just thought I should bring this to you. Mulabe emoroka ekyasinza okubeera ey'alayise e Kampala olunaku olwaleero mu moroka eza bondi. Eka mu bondi z'e Uganda buno tukayita ka keika bulimu nga buna. This one that we're seated in tubadde tukajjawo mu parking ne bakagula. Yes, that's what makes it. Look at the speed. Look at how it performs. It has a very good response. Era we mutulabira wano etuvuga. Omusajja gwe bakadde kanu nakatwalire customer atudde mabega wange kyemanyi naye yeeraliikiriraga nangwe tebangobe. Mukama we abadde atuvaako mabega tumulese tudduse. Abadde avuga Nuwa tumudduseeko tugambe katugende tukole ebyaffe. Anyway, let's stop around here and then explore this car.
Where rubber meets the soul. For the love of God's Uganda. On the streets the story's right. All the new they shine with pride. Toyota, Nissan, Benz, man.
So someone will be asking themselves, why would I buy a 600cc car when a 1000cc or a 1300cc car exists? Reason number one is this is the cheapest car. It will cost you about 20 million shillings in the bond. There is no other car that is that cheap. Well, it has no boot, but you can make the boot. You make the boot by shifting the seats and covering that area. And just like that, you can go to the market and buy a lot of stuff. Let me see if this actually goes a little lower and goes away. No, that's how low it goes. And the other advantage, this car has a lot of space. When you sit in here, look at all this legroom. This is huge, yeah? Bigger than the Paso. Look at the headroom. Look at it. I'm one of the tall people in Uganda, by the way, standing at about 5 feet. So it gives you a lot of headroom. Now, let's look at the driver's side and see how it works. Now, this is one of the basic trims. I think I love how it looks like the Paso Sete here. Plenty of storage space. It has airbags. It doesn't have curtain airbags because it was designed to be very, very, well, very compact. And it comes with standard AC, of course, indicator. Now let's look at the engine. It goes up to 140 kilometers. You want to open the bonnet? No problem. Pull that lever. And it has a speaker here, a speaker there, and Bajitwala, the owner, is there looking at me. It has a speaker there. Ochitabi, that will give us very good sound. Let's look at the engine. Come, look at the tire. The tire is really, really small. It's really small. The tires will be very easy for you to buy. Karazewa, akantu mbadde nkalabu okola ebintu nga olika pressure there. And it's turbocharged and intercooled. The intercooler is here. The turbo, eri wano, jango. Turbo kali wano, katabo kayo. Katabo kali awo. And this engine has 3 pistons. Now, I've heard a lot of people say stuff like, emoroka ya piston yesatu, tojisobola, ejakufa. Let me tell you who should be buying this car. Instead of putting your kids on a border, paying 10,000 a day for them to go to school, at the end of the year, how much are you spending? Buy them a Daihatsu Move, Kabatambus.
That we break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a tale. Village try to see the scale. We talk the truth.
So why do you buy the K car over this particular Daihatsu Move? Now, if you drive mostly in town, ovuga mu town okusinga totwala abantu bangi olina abaana bo babiri oba basatu, well, this car will definitely work for you. If you know its limitations, yasisi lukaaga wadde ina tabo esigala ekyalina limitations teba na maanyi otuuka ate eri Paso naye nga ate esobola okuwa fuel efficiency togirinnya nnyo oba kayingi ni kanafa ate ogikola service mu budde. Bw'oba ovuga ng'ogenda Masaka enemoroka togigula. Busimanya ngenda lya Ntonde buli weekend enemoroka togigula. Simanya nti kansawo za chachu enemoroka togigula. This car should be used to run simple errands around town, go to the market, take a munakati, and a bunch of small things. Naye mostly njiri komeningira nnyo abantu abalina abaana basatu bana naye ng'okooyo bassa ku boda kana akamoroka ka $2,000,000. If you find it in any bond where you'll go, ne wosasulako $1,10,000 bakakuwa gwe n'ogenda kugambe kana akamotoka wano we tuli akatwalire yakasasudde akalinzi kyovula banjogera ku speed ya yiri.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.
The K trucks and K cars are not bad. Like the Suzuki Alto, they are not bad. Now, the worst mistake you could make is not buy a small car like this one. The worst mistake you'd ever make is buy the wrong car. Kubanga togenda gule moroke nene olwokuba okatidde emoroke ekunywe ekulema okkanika inga ate waliguze kana akamoroka. Gwe bwamanyi nze siboola moroka ne gye saagala ngivuga bw'eba ekola byenjagala. Until next time, ciao.